What it do, what it is, what's good, what's poppin'?
It's your boy Warren.
It's your girl Shiaira.
AKA Pretty Peaches, and today on this thing we about to do reaction to P.Rico. It's called Cooking Up. Let's get right into this thing and see what he talking about.
What? Bitch, I bet your bitch know a Mario film. Real stupid goofy ass.
Films.
Real stupid goofy ass.
That's how I'm coming on my heart. Rico, where you been? It's been a minute, huh? I been glad riding when it's tinted up. Bitch, your man's Emmylams have to pick them up.
He kind of sound like Mimo 600 a little bit. They probably gonna be mad as hell when they hear that.
Yeah.
Niggas broke ain't got another paying attention, huh? Growing up, I always knew I was something different, huh? Never been like you fool niggas, always switching up.
I said, like, my name fool. Every time I hear niggas always gotta put me in it. I ain't did nothing, y'all. P.Rico. No, I'm just playing, man.
They need to play their position, huh?
Position, huh?
Play your position, huh?
Play your position.
They like Rico in the kitchen, what you cooking up?
What you cooking
I got a work I'm working on, I'm finna hook it up. Behind us in that field, but they
I got some verses too,
when I hit
I'm ready to get in the booth.
Man,
I got some stuff to say.
We was trying to rap together one time. She too gangster.
I'm
What that
ready to get in
nigga
the
Dirk
booth. I think
say?
it's time.
Shorty too grab a gangster. Shorty too gangster.
No, I think I'm gonna change it up. I'll be listening to Cash Loud.
I think I'm the one they looking for. If I rap with the pipe on my lap, I ain't gon' put it up. Them niggas tried to get my life, but they not good enough. The cameras trying to catch my freak, but I was hoodie up. Hit the whole 30 off, it sound like I didn't put enough. When I say I'm on my way, you know I'm pulling up.
I'm pulling up.
Though I'm moving slow, I pulled another car. They like, Rico, where you been at? Bitch, I'm out the car.
I'm out the cut.
So you quit the dump. Rico, where you been? It's been a minute, huh?
Been a minute.
I've been glad
He
riding.
sound like somebody else too, though. Was that you?
He kind of sound like who's that dude?
Steppers.
Nah. If you something you gotta, if you don't die for something you gotta, if you don't something.
What the hell?
If you don't stand for something you got, you'll fall for anything.
Rich.
He sound like 50 a little bit.
He do. Oh, God.
Niggas broke ain't got another paying attention, huh? Growing up, I always knew I was something different, huh?
Something different, huh?
Been like you fool niggas always switching up. Niggas out here need to play their position, huh?
Play their position, huh?
Play your position,
Play your
huh?
position, huh? You gotta play your role. You gotta know where you play your position. That's the thing. Everybody got a position and like play your part. Period. Nothing more, nothing less. Just kidding, guys.
Oh shit! Fans come and ask me questions, I don't know shit. Who the fuck around me if you with that broke shit? Why every time I see you wanna hold shit? 40 with a 30, you can hold the whole stick. Buy that bitch a bag, she gon' want some more shit.
He said, buy that bitch. She gonna want some more shit. Hey, for real though. But hey, y'all go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Please tell us what y'all think. Peace.